Wanderer.
Remember, kids, to always be fashionable out on the trail because you don't want any bad pictures of yourself. Morning, everybody. It is about 4 o'clock in the morning and we're heading up to Pikes Peak. We're going to attempt to summit Pikes Peak today. We're going to the trailhead right now and head up to bar camp. So we'll see how it goes. See you then.
All right, here we go.
There's no going back.
I think we're almost there. Are we at the top yet? Top of the hill. Heading into the bar trailhead parking lot.
It's one way or another.
Another.
Oh, buddy.
Okay, well, there's
We're
one.
not the only crazy ones.
Yep.
All right, so we're getting all set to go. We're at Bar Trail right now. It's still at 4 in the morning. It's not crowded, but it's definitely not empty. A lot of hikers out here this morning. So we'll see you on the trail. It's beautiful out here on this morning of Pikes Peak. I'd say it's about 5:30. Sun has not come up yet, but morning light is still beautiful. Beautiful morning on Bar Trail. This is the last view of the sun before we go into the forests of Pikes Peak. Right now we're at the spot where the Manitou Incline intercepts with the Bar Trail. We're not going to go up to see the Manitou Incline because it is about a half mile to the steps from the Bar Trail. So we're just going to keep on hiking on Bar Trail, hoping we can get to our destination, which is bar camp. Our first view of Pikes Peak summit. Three and a half miles to bar camp, 9.5 to the peak. So we've been hanging out at our camp, deciding whether to go up Pikes Peak or not because it's about 11 o'clock and we're tired. We decided to go up Pikes Peak. We're getting some food in us, setting up all our gear so that whenever we come back, it's more than likely going to be late. So we can just get in here, get in our tents so we can sleep, rest up for tomorrow's morning to hike out. Hopefully the storms stay out, stay off the mountain. Our worry was today is a beautiful day. We were worried about waking up tomorrow early and having there be storms. So we took the safe route, and we're going to hike it today, and so we'll see you on the trail. Yeah, well, you card.
Well, last time we spoke, we were heading off. We were going to do an attempt at the peak. As you might be able to see, we're back at camp. We started heading up the trail. We started heading up the trail, and we knew when we left camp, we were like, let's see what happens and all that. And quite frankly, we're all pretty beaten, and so our pace was not very quick. as we're heading up the trail, we can look if you want to look up. We started seeing some colorful clouds coming through, and thinking to ourselves, why do this now?
So it's the end of day 1. We just saw a deer a little while ago, which is super cool. We had a couple storms come in. We had to set up our tarp. It was just a little bit of drizzle, the afternoon drizzle, but now it's super clear so we can see the stars whenever we're sleeping. A little bit. We're having 2 cups of coffee.
So we're at the first stop so far. We didn't get an intro this morning because we didn't. So.
And we didn't get up at 2:30 as Curtis promised last night in the video. Although my alarm went off at 2:30, and I hit snooze until
5:30.
4:30 or 5, and we had breakfast. You saw the other video stuff with the deer. That's cool. My stuff really stinks because I was sweating this all day yesterday, but I don't care.
2.5 miles into the trail, and we're 11,207 feet in the air. So we're having a little bit of issues. Johnny has a slight blister on his old piggy toes. We're taping that up, getting some water while we can. We've gone about 2.5 miles or so. The trail is, it's not hard, but it's not easy for sure. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, so that means that one's like
13 chains.
We're starting to get a little bit of hail. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we're going to start putting our rain jackets on. We're about a mile away from the top, and it's not going to be very fun.
Alright, we're in the final push. We've got about the final mile, or mile of hell, hard stuff. We're at 13,000 and change feet, I think. We've done quite a bit. We have, if you look at the map here where we are, we went through all that, and then we just hit that long stretch area there, come around. And if you look over here, that little flat area there that looks easy is what we just did here, and then now we're right at the corner of right here, getting ready for all these switchbacks. I think it's called the 16 golden stairs, and then I think it just means 16, I don't know what 16 is, 16 levels of hell to get to the top. But we're just out there on the home stretch. We're all feeling pretty good. Obviously we're tired, winded, we're at elevation now, but we've been slugging back waters and electrolyte stuff and all that, and this is, I'm not sure if the right word is exhilarating or what, but it's unreal. So we're going to sit here for a second. We're going to moderately fuel up before this big push and push on. We are just about there. Man, this is tough. But let's take a look around. Let's work. doing good. Remember, that was the, over there is that gorge, right?
Yeah.
It's taking us like 15, 20 minutes to get over here. Okay? Shut up, guys. We're doing awesome. We did it, boys.